Hello everyone, welcome back to Budget Buying. Today we're taking a look at the best welding machine that combines power, versatility, and smart features in one solid unit. Whether you're a beginner learning the basics or a professional handling serious projects, this one deserves your attention. Let's get started. The Arc Captain welding machine is a powerful 6-in-1 welder built to handle a wide range of tasks. With a strong 250 ampere output, it supports Gas MIG, Flux Core MIG, Lift TIG, MMA, spot welding, and even spool gun welding. That means you can work with mild steel, carbon steel, stainless steel, and aluminum without needing multiple machines. It gives you the flexibility to switch between different welding styles depending on your project. Performance is where the Arc Captain welding machine really stands out. It features a fully digital MCU and a high-integrity circuit design. This ensures stable arcs and consistent welding results. The intelligent cooling fan improves heat dissipation, which helps protect the internal components and extend the machine's lifespan. You can weld for longer periods without worrying about overheating too quickly. For MIG welding, it includes advanced features that make a real difference. Adaptive crater control helps create cleaner finishes at the end of a weld. Burn back adjustment improves wire control and reduces sticking. Pre-flow and post-flow functions protect the weld area by managing shielding gas timing. These features work together to improve overall weld quality and efficiency. The machine offers both synergic and manual MIG modes. In synergic mode, the welder automatically adjusts the current and wire feed speed based on the selected wire diameter and gas type. This makes it much easier for beginners because the machine does most of the setup work for you. Manual MIG mode, on the other hand, gives experienced users full control to fine-tune settings exactly how they want. It's a great balance between simplicity and professional customization. Another big advantage is that the Arc Captain welding machine comes ready to use right out of the box. The package includes the MIG 250 welder, a 10-foot MIG torch, a 10-foot earth clamp, a 10-foot stick holder, contact tips, wire feed rollers, a 10-foot gas hose, a 220-volt to 110-volt wire adapter, and a user manual. You have everything you need to get started without buying extra accessories. Safety is clearly a priority in this design. The machine has passed rigorous laboratory testing and includes multiple protective functions. These include VRD, overcurrent protection, overvoltage protection, overload protection, and overheating protection. These built-in safety systems give you peace of mind while working on demanding projects. Overall, the Arc Captain welding machine delivers versatility, smart digital technology, and strong safety features in one reliable unit. It is built to handle everything from home repairs to professional fabrication work. Power, precision, and protection all in one. If you're looking for a dependable welding machine that can handle multiple welding types with ease, this is a fantastic option. Check the price link in the description, and don't forget to like and subscribe to Budget Buying for more helpful product videos. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.